Let's talk about setting up a review process. In this part, we'll discuss who should participate, what materials should you review, and how long will it take. As mentioned before, the general curriculum information can be collected by one individual, usually a curriculum specialist or someone else well-versed with various publishing companies and products. Health teachers should definitely be involved in the curriculum review. We've also found it valuable to include an administrator or school board member, a clinician who has experience providing health services to youth, and perhaps a knowledgeable community representative, like from Planned Parenthood. Having 4 to 6 reviewers ensures you are getting multiple perspectives with which to make a curriculum adoption decision. The CDC HECAT tools are designed to evaluate a comprehensive curriculum. OSPI has created a simpler tool based on the HECAT to evaluate supplemental materials, like a speaker series, video, or online resource. You can find that mini tool on the HIV and sexual health education page on the OSPI HIV Sexual Health website. Expect to invest about 4 to 6 hours reviewing a comprehensive curriculum, and about an hour or 2 for a supplemental product like a video or a DVD.